rub this in anymore without hurting. You just look so pale. You look like a vampire.
Butters. Why bring a real camera if you're not going to use it?
Hold on tight.
You ready?
Here we go.
You guys ready?
This, so you know how you're like ride a roller coaster? This is my version.
Scottsdale Train Museum thing. And look, it's my cousin.
Stop.
Cool.
This is amazing, Daniel. Have you ever seen something like this before, Daniel?
Where's the car crash?
Up there, look at that car falling off the cliff.
I've never seen one of those.
All those lights are from the fire. Are you waving, Alex? Wave to all the people. Yeah, Steph was actually really disappointed at the restaurant last night because there was like, you couldn't see out the windows. The dinner table? Who said it was beautiful?
Jill.
That's not jail.
Alright, hurry. One smile.
3.
Para hacia la... That's the Navy uniform.
What's the name?
Navy is like an army in the water.
That looks like part of a board, but it's not part of it.
I built the greatest family. It wasn't Rubble, it was Dada.
He's trying real hard.
He got it earlier.
Get closer.
Come on, dude.
Here, I'll do it. I'll press it. No, he doesn't need to go up. He's fine, he's fine. Say, let me out, Dada, I'll be good. Alex, wait. No, come here, say it.
It all goes back to where it's called touch.
Hello.
Hello. Touch, touch, touch.
Hello.
No.
You're like 6, aren't you? Here, what? You're 3? Wow, that's old. Let's let her go first. No, yeah. Okay, you going there? Okay. We'll knock over the beer.
Ready? I'll catch you. You jump. No, don't come
She's
here.
She knows
Now he's
better.
gonna jump.
No.
We're
Ready?
supposed to be making dinner. What's up with this?
3, 2, 1.
I'm following
Who are you jumping with?
Lemmy.
Who's Remy?
Yes.
She's your...
Cousin.
Here you go.
Leave it right here.
What are you gonna film?
Pup. Seems fuzzy.
I got Diet Pepsi. I think too. Cherry Pepsi. It's out in the fridge to the left, you know.
Okay. Those are 2 cousins.
Whoa. Drew, you said thank you?
Say hi. Hello. Hello.
And did you ride a little train?
Drew.
What sound do trains make?
Choo choo.
Choo choo.
You want to blow the bubbles?
Choo choo.